Pilots are not just operators, but also guardians of their aircraft's well-being. Pilot perform preventive maintenance is the embodiment of this dual role, where aviators take on specific maintenance tasks to ensure their aircraft's safe and reliable operation. Pilot perform preventive maintenance, as outlined in FAR 43, Appendix A, Subpart C, grants pilots certain privileges to conduct basic maintenance tasks on aircraft, provided they adhere to the regulations and requirements specified by the Federal Aviation Regulations. This provision allows pilots to perform simple, non-complex maintenance procedures such as changing oil, replacing spark plugs, and replacing safety belts, among others, without the need for a certified mechanic. However, it's crucial for pilots to strictly follow the regulations and guidelines, ensuring the work is done correctly and safely. In addition, these maintenance activities need to be meticulously logged in the aircraft's maintenance records, following the proper procedure to document the work performed, date, and any relevant details. This log not only helps keep a comprehensive record of the maintenance history, but also aids in demonstrating compliance with the regulations and ensuring accountability. Pilot perform preventive maintenance not only empowers pilots to take a proactive role in ensuring their aircraft's airworthiness, but also promotes a culture of responsibility and attentiveness to the condition and safety of their aircraft, contributing to overall aviation safety and efficiency.